Salut, c'est Madame Sarko et ce soir, vous allez étudier le vocabulaire d'unité 2, leçon 1. Qu'est-ce que tu vas acheter? So tonight we're working on our unit 2, lesson 1 vocabulary. Our goal is to learn how to talk about clothing and things that we're going to buy, and as well as things that we prefer. So here we go. On y va. Comment dit-on low-cost chain store? This is kind of similar to like a BJ's or like a Costco or something like that. Une grande surface. Une grande surface. Comment dit-on a department store? This is similar to Macy's or Nordstrom's or Sears, something like that. JCPenney. Un grand magasin. Un grand magasin. Comment dit-on a clothing store? Une boutique de vêtements. Une boutique de vêtements. Comment dit-on a discount clothing store? This is something probably similar to like Marshall's or TJ Maxx. Une boutique de solde. Une boutique de solde. Comment dit-on a flea market? This one I forgot to put the English in, but this is le marché aux puces. Le marché aux puces. This is where you would get like vintage clothing, things like that. Comment dit-on clothing? Les vêtements. Les vêtements. Now we're going to learn about our clothing in French. And the interesting thing about the clothing words that you're going to learn in this chapter is that all of them that end in E are actually feminine and the rest are masculine. That doesn't happen all the time, but that is the case with these words, that all the ones that end in E are feminine and the rest are all masculine. The plural ones that end in ES are feminine. The ones that do not end in ES are masculine. So here we go. Comment dit-on a baseball cap or cap? Une casquette. Une casquette. Comment dit-on a shirt? Une chemise. Une chemise. Comment dit-on a coat? Un manteau. Un manteau. Comment dit-on a jacket? This is something that's probably what you're going to wear like the fall or the spring when it's slightly chilly out. Un blouson. Un blouson. Comment dit-on a hat? This is a generic type hat. Un chapeau. Un chapeau. Comment dit-on a blazer or suit jacket? Une veste. Une veste. Comment dit-on pants? Un pantalon. Un pantalon. Comment dit-on a sweater? Un pull. Un pull. Comment dit-on jeans? Un jean. Un jean. Comment dit-on a raincoat? Un impair. Un impair. This is the shortened form of the word un imperméable, which is probably the only one that actually ends in E that's masculine. But if you take the shortened form, un impair, that does not end in E. So un impair or un imperméable. Comment dit-on a tie? Une cravate. Une cravate. Comment dit-on a skirt? Une jupe. Une jupe. Comment dit-on a dress? Une robe. Une robe. Comment dit-on shoes? Des chaussures. Des chaussures. This is feminine. Des chaussures. Comment dit-on boots? Des bottes. Des bottes. This is also a feminine word. Comment dit-on sandals? Des sandales. Des sandales. Comment dit-on sneakers? Des baskets. Des baskets. This one's masculine. Comment dit-on a sweatshirt? Ensuite. Ensuite. Comment dit-on shorts? Un short. Un short. Comment dit-on a t-shirt? Un t-shirt. Un t-shirt. Comment dit-on a swimsuit? Un maillot de bain. Un maillot de bain. Un maillot de bain. Comment dit-on sweatpants? Un jogging. Un jogging. Comment dit-on a belt? Une ceinture. Une ceinture. Comment dit-on glasses? Des lunettes. Des lunettes. Comment dit-on sunglasses? Des lunettes de soleil. Des lunettes de soleil. Comment dit-on to wear? So now we've done all of the nouns. Let's go through the verbs. Comment dit-on to wear? Porter. Porter. This is a regular ER verb. Comment dit-on to buy? Acheter. Acheter. This is a ER verb, but it's also a stem changing verb, and we're going to learn about those in this unit. Comment dit-on to bring, as in bringing a person? Amener. Amener. Again, this is a ER verb, but it's also stem changing, and we're going to learn how that one works. Comment dit-on to bring, as in a thing? Apporter. Apporter. Again, this is an ER verb. This is a regular one. There's no stem changes here. Comment dit-on to prefer? Préférer. Préférer. Again, this is an ER verb, but it also has a stem change that we're going to learn about. Comment dit-on to hope? Espérer. Espérer. Again, an ER verb, but it also has a stem change, which we're going to talk about. Comment dit-on to look for? Chercher. Chercher. Regular ER verb. Comment dit-on to find or to think of? This verb, the next following verb, has two meanings. To find something or to think of something. What do you think of something? To give your opinion. Trouver. Trouver. Comment dit-on to cost? Coûter. Coûter. Again, this is a regular ER verb, but most of the forms of it you don't really need, because you're not going to say I cost or you cost. You're going to be saying it costs. So the forms that you usually need to know are the singular and the third person singular and third person plural. Comment dit-on to think or to think that? Penser. Penser que. The penser is a regular ER verb. Je pense, tu penses, etc. Adjectives. Here we go. Elegant. Comment dit-on elegant? Élégant. Élégant. To make this feminine, you just add an E, just like the regular adjectives, add S's to make it plural. Ugly. Comment dit-on ugly? Moche. Moche. Comment dit-on in style? À la mode. À la mode. Comment dit-on out of style? Démodé. Démodé. Now the accent aigu here works a lot like other consonants, so you would have to add E's to make it feminine, S's for plural, etc. Comment dit-on short? Cœur. Cœur. Again, E's to make it feminine, S's for plural. Longue. How do you say long? Comment dit-on longue? Longue. Longue. Comment dit-on expensive? Cher. Cher. Now the feminine of this, you have to add an E to the end, but you have to add an accent grave on the middle E to make it feminine. S is for plural. Comment dit-on cheap or inexpensive? Bon marché. Bon marché. This is invariable, meaning it doesn't take adjective endings. It stays the same. Comment dit-on tout? Trop. Trop. Comment dit-on the price? Le prix. Le prix. Bon, maintenant, on a fini. Vous devez étudier un petit peu et on va parler de ceci demain. So, finish studying up. Make sure you are familiar with the words and we'll work on them in class.